Hi friends, this video shows how to install system software update. First we have to connect PS5 DualSense controller to PS5 console using a USB cable like this. Then we have to press and hold power button on the PS5 console until we hear two beep sounds. We have heard one beep sound, please wait for a second one. We have heard second beep sound. Now we can release the power button, then go to the monitor. There we can see now PS5 in safe mode. We have to press PS button on the controller, then we have to select third option, update system software. Select this third option, then select update using internet. Select this second option, then select update button. Select update. You can see PS5 system software will be updated. Your PS5 will restart and start the update. You can see the update version. See, now it's downloading the update file. So please wait, it will take some time. After update, it will reboot. So this way we can install system software update. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.